Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys have showed so much of love in my previous perfume video. It felt so supported, encouraged me and motivated me to come up with yet another perfume video. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna make sure to link it down in the description box below. Please do go check it out. But for this video, I don't have many perfumes. These are the recent buys and I've been testing it out for some time. A couple of them are from Aqualogica fragrance mist that they have come up with. So I have been testing it out since 2 weeks after they launched. I bought them immediately after they launched. And the third one is not so new, but it's yet affordable and I like it. So I thought, why not introduce that also into this video. So now, without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. This is the first time you guys are seeing me and this face. Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Rasika. I make content related beauty, lifestyle, makeup, skincare, haul, etc. If that's something interests you, then please do subscribe to my channel and be a part of this family, and also hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. I promised I'm gonna keep this video really short and I don't want to bore you guys. So now, without further ado, let's quickly get into the video. So like the title suggests, you guys already know I'm going to talk about the Aqualogica body mist. This is a new launch and I got them immediately. They immediately when they launched, because I'm always in lookout for some affordable body perfume fragrance mist. Like mist in general do not trigger my migraine because they're not that potent. So agar thoda bahut notes upar niche bhi hota hai, to I make it work and try to use the entire body mist. So they have come up with 3 body fragrances and I've got only 2 because the third one, the notes were very floral. I'm not sure whether that fragrance is something that I would like, so I didn't pick that one. If you guys have used that one, do let me know that how did you feel about that one. One is the Aqualogica Refresh Plus Sun Kissed Vanilla Perfume Body Mist. So this is the one. I really like how the packaging looks like. I love both the colors. This is like a lavender one. So people have said it looks like the rip-off of Sol de Janeiro perfume. I've not used that one, so I cannot give you a side-by-side comparison. But picture देख के काफी हद तक मुझे लग रहा है कि ये उसके तरह ही दिख रहा है. The shape and everything looks like that. But nevertheless, we're not bothered about the packaging. The one main thing that I don't like is the packaging. The cap is so tight. See, मतलब इसको खोलते खोलते कसरत हो जाता है. इतना ज्यादा टाइट पैकेजिंग इन्होंने क्यों किया, आई हैव नो आइडिया. If your hands are moisturized, sweaty, or like you have hand cream, this is not gonna be user friendly. I didn't gravitate towards this perfume and I'll tell you why. The notes are all fine. I'm gonna like pop the notes right here. It has like majorly vanilla scent. The top note is sweet, tropical, fruity. The middle note is vanilla, jasmine. Base note is again vanilla and amber, powdery. So yes, you can only smell vanilla, which is a good thing. Like I usually like vanilla fragrance, but this exactly smells like the ice cream. Like that's the reason they have put up a picture also. But problem इसका ये है कि it smells exactly like the plum vanilla vibes wala body mist. The first one that they had released, not the smoking vanilla one. The first perfume of mist that the plum had ever come up with. It straight up smells like that. कुछ तो different करते तो शायद अच्छा होता. It looks exactly the same, and the problem is it doesn't even last. It didn't even last on me for 1 hour. Like I sprayed it on my clothes, I sprayed it on my pulse points. So it didn't last, it just evaporated. Maybe it would be good for layering. I haven't tested it out yet like that, but this didn't last. So all in all, if ever I want this kind of sweet vanilla, a cupcake or a ice cream kind of a fragrance, I think I'll go back to the vanilla vibes from Plum Body Loving range. But I'm gonna give this a pass. It's not gonna trigger any of the migraine. I love this fragrance. Don't get me wrong. I would like to say that I got these both of the perfume mist for buy one get one offer. So 500 ka iska MRP hai and I got it like for 250 rupees. So it's such a good deal. It's 150 ml product. Yeah, at Nykaa right now it's available for 439. The MRP is 499. I would suggest wait for buy one get one offer. Let's talk about the next body mist. This is the Aqualogica Refresh Plus Sweet Summer Kiss perfume. My god, I have some things to tell about this. Again, the packaging looks nice, but again the same problem. And this even looks like Sol de Janeiro. The color peach is really nice, very attractive, I must say. So they have the strawberry and berries going on, and the notes are very interesting. The top note is strawberry, red apple, red currant. The middle note is strawberry again, fruity notes, flowers. And the base note again strawberry, vanilla, nectarine, musk. So you see, इसके सारे notes में strawberry है, and they also have vanilla to it. Maybe that's the reason it smells so good. I really enjoyed using this. I was gravitating towards, you can see like I've used Itna as compared to the vanilla one, and I was really gravitating towards this perfume over that. And पिछले मैं 2 हफ्ते से सिर्फ I've been pulling this out. I really have a couple of things to say. First of all, this reminds me of the Body Shop Strawberry Body Mist. Back in the days, I'm talking about like 7-8 years back. Even before the Bath and Body Works had come to India, I think the only fragrance mist that was accessible, at least to me, was Body Shop one. I used to go to this Body Shop storerooms. That times even the online shopping was not that famous. At least I had not started shopping online. So I used to go to these malls and pick up the body mists from Body Shop. And the strawberry one, if you guys know, they have a whole range of strawberry. They have the body yogurt, they have the shower gel, and etc. The mist exactly smells like this, but I would say this one is even better than the Body Shop strawberry mist. And the good thing is this is also long lasting. I sprayed it on my clothes and on my bare body, and I'm not sure bare body I couldn't smell it after 3 hours or so, but it's still better than the vanilla one. But on my clothes, like the entire day passed, I was wearing the clothes back, I was still feeling that smell. And the good thing is, 2 दिन के बाद it had this smell still lingered on. I don't know why the formulation is different, what ingredients they have made, and what is the catch. I seriously don't understand. One of them is absolutely not long lasting, and this, however, is long lasting. Talk about the mist. Oh my god, it has that berry, strawberry, and vanilla scent to it. I mean, it's a very good concoction of strawberry, berries, notes, and a little bit of the vanilla peeking through. I really, really enjoyed using this perfume mist. Straight up a fruity fragrance, I would like to suggest. Though it has some musk in it, the base note does have a little bit of musk, but I cannot smell any musk. Even after some time, you do smell that strawberry very prominently. So if fruity notes are something that you like, if strawberry mist, if you have used that Body Shop strawberry mist, if you like that one, I'm sure, 100% sure that you're gonna love this one as well. It has perfect blend of strawberry, berries, and vanilla, and it's a perfect fruity note for me. It didn't trigger my migraine or headache. I enjoyed using this, and I'm gravitating towards this. It's probably gonna come in my monthly favorites as well. Fruity notes, if fruity fragrance is something that you like, and I think you should definitely give this a shot. For the money that I've paid and for the quantity that you get, it's absolutely worth it, and I enjoyed it. Also, I'd like to add one point, that these Aqualogica mists that have launched, they have marketed it as both hair and body mist. I think this is the first time Indian brand is coming up with something like hair and body mist. That also reminds me that have they tried to like completely rip off Sol de Janeiro, because I think even they are like both hair and body mist. I don't know, but it's a good thing that if you want, you can spritz it on your head without even concerned about damaging your hair. So yeah, that's one point that I wanted to add. Now let's go on to the third one. This is a EDP Eau de Perfume, and this is something that I got it from Studio Web. I love the packaging. It's like the cherry, pink, red going on. Like the cherry love is embossed in a red print, and I really love the packaging. They have 3 variants from this range, the cherry one. So I picked up this one. The packaging is really luxurious, and I really like it. You guys can see. Love it's simple, red, and classy packaging. I picked it up for 5.95, but I think this is totally worth it. It's 50 ml quantity, and it's a EDP, so I don't mind. Studio West is a brand from West Side, if you guys didn't know it. Let me talk you through the notes that they have. The top note is peach, cherry. Middle note is jasmine, sandalwood. The base note is vanilla, patchouli, and praline. Again, this is a combination of a fruity and a little bit of vanilla to it. It also has a bit of floral note, smell that much of floral into it. There were like total of three perfume from this range, the cherry collection, but both of them smelled really alcoholic for me, so that's the reason I picked this one up. So this is a little bit of mature. I think because of sandalwood, I'm not sure. Good perfume. You smell cherry, you smell vanilla, and patchouli. Oh my god. I would suggest you can wear this for nighttime, date night, party, and everything. For a daytime or work and daily wear, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. I mean, you do smell good, but this is appropriate for the nighttime events. The initial spritz, however, smells like little alcoholic, but वो immediately fade away हो जाता है. लेकिन अब in 30 seconds or 45 seconds वो alcoholic जो smell आ रहा है वो sniff वो चला जाता है. Really like this. This didn't trigger my migraine as well, and it lasts good 4 to 5 hours as well. So for the price that I paid 595 के लिए इतना 50 ml का EDP, I think it's totally worth it. What do you think of this? You guys let me know, have you tried anything from West Side Studio West collection, this cherry collection, and how did you like it? I personally like this. I think you guys will love it if you guys like this sort of a fragrance. They have very little of jasmine to it, तो मुझे इतना स्मेल जैस्मिन का आ नहीं रहा है, but it's a good decent perfume and it lasts decent amount of time as well. With that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. Please let me know if you guys have tried any of this perfume and if it worked for you. So I will always look out for a new affordable perfume. So if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. I'd like to try it out if it matches with my vibes, of course. But one of you guys did suggest me a few perfumes in my previous video, but a couple of them were straight up a floral perfume. So I don't think if I buy, I wouldn't justify myself if I go and buy that perfume, and if I don't like it, I'm not gonna end up using it. It's just gonna go to waste. So that's the reason I didn't pick up those few perfumes. I have one more suggestion which I like, so probably I'm gonna pick that perfume and will make a video soon. Whenever I'm getting a new perfume, I'm like immediately trying it out and like sharing it with you guys so that it's beneficial for you. So with that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys like this video and found this helpful. If you found this helpful, then do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and leave a beautiful comment. I'll see you in the next video, and till then, take care. Bye bye.